Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to shatter anything in After Effects. Let's get started. First of all, take a text layer. Here I'm taking a random text explode. You can take anything. Then, fix the alignment of the text in the middle. Then pre-compose the text layer. Rename it as anything. Now go to Effect option, select Simulation, and then select Shatter. Now you have to customize the effects. Go to Effect option of the layer. Click to Shatter. Change option to Rendered. Then go to Shape option. Change the pattern to Glass. You can check. The glass effect is applied on the text. Now in the Shape option, change the value of repetitions to 10. Change extrusion depth value to 0. Now go to Force 1 option. Change radius value to 0.40 and change strength value to 0.05. Now to go to Physics option. Change value of rotation speed to 0.40. Change gravity value to 0.0. Then, copy the whole shatter effect by pressing Ctrl+C from your keyboard. Then, pre-compose the text layer again. Rename it to anything you want. I'm renaming it to Shatter Done 1, for example. Then click OK. Now, go to Shatter Effect again of the new pre-composed layer. Go to Shape option. Change repetitions value to 200. Change extrusion depth to 0.02. Then go to Force 1 option. Change strength value to 0.50. And then change radius value to 0.10. And set a keyframe here in the beginning of the layer. And at the end keyframe, change the radius value to 0.80. You'll see the shatter effect is applied perfectly. That's it. That's how you shatter anything in After Effects smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.